We ordered a Nelson brand traveling sprinkler, the classic yellow tractor style, and we're gonna give it a shot here in our lawn, see how well it works. Wow, that thing's heavy. There, it looks like those are all the pieces. Of instructions. Now we just need to put it together. We just put the Nelson lawn tractor sprinkler together. It was very simple, following the supplied instructions. Piece of cake, putting the T in, and then putting these arms in. And they've got very clear instructions as to how to align the sprayers. And now we're gonna go get it set up and give it a whirl. I've got the Nelson tractor sprinkler all set up. It's bigger than you would think. I mean, there's my foot compared to it. That's a size 10. And I'm gonna give this a try. I fertilized this morning, and I've got the stop set up right over here. We'll see how long it takes to get there. Anyhow, I'm gonna go turn the water on. We'll see how it goes. Well, it's working, but I obviously forgot to put it in drive. So I'm gonna go turn the water off and put it in drive. It seems to be working well. It's driving right along. And our grass isn't thick here. It'll be thick later in the summer. They recommend you don't use it on grass that's just been planted or that's thin, probably because it erodes the ground a little bit like we see here. But that's not the tractor's fault. Anyhow, I think for our yard it'll be fine. Later in the summer this grass will thicken up and it'll be great. But I can see it rolling along. I've got the water pressure down right now. So we'll see how long it takes for it to follow the hose all the way back. What you just saw there was the automatic shutoff, and it looks like it worked. The sprinkler did a great job, and the distance that I showed earlier, it took it 2 hours to complete, and part of the reason for that is I had it running on a very low water pressure. So far so good.